Let is used to declare a variable that can change later. Variable stores values like text, string, numbers, or true or false boolean. Here, name stores text, age stores the number, and each student stores the boolean. Think of variables as labeled boxes that hold your data. Arrays. Arrays store multiple values in a single variable. The items are stored in order and can be accessed using index numbers starting from 0. Example, fruits of 0 gives apple. Arrays are like a shopping list where each item has a position. Functions. Functions are blocks of code that perform a task. They can take parameters like person name and return a result. Here, greet returns a greeting message for any name you pass. Example, greet gives hello. Functions make your code reusable and organized. Objects. Objects store data in key value pairs. Keys are like labels, name, age, and values are the actual data. Objects can have methods, functions inside objects. This refers to the current objects. This dot name means the name of the property of that particular object. Objects are like real world things. They have property like data and action methods. Loops. For loops, run code repeatedly until a condition is met. Here we start at I equal to 0 and run until I less than fruits.length. Fruits.length gives the length of the particular array, and so in the loops, fruits.length refers to the length of the array in which I is less than to it. Loops are useful when you need to repeat actions without writing code multiple times. Function and object method calls. We call greet and pass name to get a custom message. We call person.introduce to use this method inside the object. Loops with for off. For off loop is a cleanser way to go through arrays. Here it prints each hobby in person.hobbies. And let name gives the name, let age gives the age, and let each student gives the boolean whether the expression is each student or not. An array is a collection of values stored in order. Here we stored 3 color names inside the square bracket. In JavaScript, variables are like storage boxes where you keep your data. Use let, constant, or where to declare them. Like username is storing a string, age stores a number, and each student stores the boolean. We use let when the value might change later. We use constant if the value should remain constant. And arrays are zero indexed, meaning the counting starts at 0, and array can hold strings, numbers, even other arrays or objects. Functions are reusable blocks of code. This function greet takes a time as input and returns a greeting. We can call it like this. Greeting like hello. Functions help reduce repetition and organize your code into logical chunks. And objects are related data and behavior. Think of them like real world objects and properties and methods. Name, age, each student are properties, and greet is a method. We use this keyword to refer the properties inside the same object. You can access properties using dot notation. Loops help you to repeat actions. This for loop runs from I equal to 0 to I less than fruits dot length. Each time it prints one fruit. This is especially used for arrays, no need to manage the index manually.